Hello fellow WordPress enthusiasts, I want to make an updated tutorial for the FBomatic plugin to show you how to post automatically to Facebook in 2021 because Facebook updated its interface, its API interface and its admin console. So you will have to follow this updated tutorial to be able to post to Facebook in 2021. So let's check into it, and I am here in the main settings of the FBomatic plugin. Now let's go and create a new app, a Facebook app. So for this, hover over this question mark and click here. Now you will be able to go to My Apps and start creating a new Facebook app. So after this loads up, we will be able to create a new app here. So for this, click on the Create App button, select Manage Business Integrations, click Continue, give the app a new name, New App 2021, for example. Select yourself or your own business. If you have here any business integration, select your business, or if not, you can leave no business manager account selected. Click Create App, solve the CAPTCHA and click Submit. And afterwards you will have your Facebook app that will be able to post to Facebook as your page. Now all you have to do is go to Settings, click on Basic, and here first thing is to copy the app ID and go to Plugin Settings, paste it here and show the secret, enter your password and copy the secret. Don't bother using these app IDs and secrets because I will delete them, and click Save Info after you pasted your secret here. Now go to Post to Facebook, and here you should follow these steps. So you already made the step 1. You can go ahead and add to your app domains the string that is highlighted here in red. You will find the app domains if you scroll down a bit. And here it is, app domain, so paste it here. Afterwards, you also have to add a privacy policy URL here. You can set a default one or a privacy policy that you have on your page, and click Save Settings from here. So save changes. Okay. So after these changes are saved, we can go ahead and click on Products here. In 2021, this pop-up will show, but we can ignore this. And after we did this, we can go ahead and click our dashboard and follow the steps that the plugin recommends us to do. Okay, so let's add Facebook login and click Setup here. If it does not appear already here on your admin menu. And while you set up the Facebook login, copy this URL because this is what you will need here. Click Web, add the site URL where you will be using the plugin. Click Save. Keep in mind that this is needed only if Facebook login is not appearing here already for you. So click Next, 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 and here all you have to do is click again Settings, and here in the Facebook login search for valid OAuth redirect URIs and paste the URL that the plugin provides here. So copy this and paste it here. Now don't forget to save changes, and now we are ready to click this button. So let's click this button now, and if everything will be working correctly, something similar will come up, and click Continue, select the page where you wish to allow the plugin to post, and go ahead and click next. Everything should be checked here, click done. And as a result, you will go back automatically to the plugin with all the pages which you selected available here. Okay, now let's go ahead and activate posting, and let's shoot a test post to my Facebook page just to check if everything is working correctly. So let's add a new post. This is my Facebook page. Let me refresh it also to see that these are the latest posts on it. And here it is. This is the latest one. And let me add a test post. So let's create a test post here in WordPress. Okay, and let's publish it. This is all I have to do, is publish the post. And as a result, after we refresh our Facebook page, we should see the test post published, because all I had to do is set up the plugin like I did. Okay, so let's give the plugin a moment to do its job. And now we can go ahead and refresh the Facebook page here. And here it is, the test post is published just now. So yeah, if we go to the URL here, we will see the test post that we published on our site. So this is how you will be able to set up the FBomatic plugin to automatically post to Facebook in 2021 using the new Facebook interface. I hope this tutorial video helped, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I create new videos each day at 7 p.m. GMT. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.